Welcome to our review of the InSinkErator Badger 5 garbage disposal, a kitchen appliance that will revolutionize the way you manage waste. This essential kitchen companion is designed to provide a swift and effortless solution to food waste disposal. Imagine the convenience of simply washing away food scraps rather than bagging and binning. It's an innovation that not only saves time but also promotes a cleaner and more efficient kitchen environment. The Badger 5 is not just a garbage disposal unit, it's a solution to a cleaner and more efficient kitchen. Diving deeper into the specifics, the InSinkErator Badger 5 garbage disposal is packed with features that make it stand out. At first glance, you'll notice its compact design, which is perfect for smaller spaces under the sink, saving you precious room in your kitchen. But don't let its size fool you. This little marvel houses a half-horsepower DuraDrive induction motor, powerful enough to grind and dispose of most types of food waste with ease. What's more, installing the Badger 5 is a breeze. With its quick-lock sink mount, you can replace your old unit in minutes without needing to call a plumber. And let's not forget about its longevity. The Badger 5 is built to last, and to prove it, it comes with a 2-year We Come to You warranty. That's right. If anything goes wrong, a trained service agent will come to your home for repair or replacement. With its durability, power, and easy installation, the Badger 5 is the garbage disposal you never knew you needed. If you're tired of dealing with food waste in your kitchen, the InSinkErator Badger 5 garbage disposal is the solution you've been waiting for. This efficient gadget effortlessly grinds away food waste, reducing the amount of trash you need to take out and minimizing unpleasant smells. No more laborious scraping of plates into the bin. With the Badger 5, cleanup becomes a breeze. Plus, it's an eco-conscious choice, helping to cut down on landfill waste. It's time to bring the power of convenience and efficiency into your kitchen. Check out the link in the description below to buy the InSinkErator Badger 5 garbage disposal and transform your kitchen experience today.